What are we doing here? So we've been doing vending now since 2018, just introduced this new fleet of machines. And the main purpose of this is they're ideal for kind of high volume, high use workplaces. So if you've got a lot of people in your workplace, use a lot of gloves, use a lot of janitorial equipment, use a lot of stationery, this can manage the whole thing for you, start to finish. This is the fobs that we've programmed to work with our machine. Scan the fob and this will take you to your various options. In these machines we've got janitorial, disposable like your nitrile gloves. The ordering side of things, we keep this in a supervisor area. So for this particular machine, it's only supervisors that can use the ordering kiosk function. So they would be able to order emergency supply, which is goods that are actually here just now. So we've got boots, fleeces, polo shirts that are available right now. As long as we've been doing these machines, they've been great for dispensing physical stock, but we feel this is a real sort of game changer that we can add the ordering function onto it as well. Kind of endless possibilities really with the ordering function. If this is something that interests you, call Manning and we'll see what we can do for you. We'll get a good solution put in place for you.